Rubik's Cube, the world's favourite puzzle.
More than 50 years after it was invented, the Rubik's Cube continues to amuse people. Discover 8 facts about the famous puzzle. 1974. In 1974, Professor Rubik made a cube to explain 3D to his design students in Budapest, Hungary. But when he scrambled his cube, he took a month to solve it. He realized he had invented a new toy.
21. A basic Rubik's Cube has 21 pieces. A core that holds the centre square of each face, plus 20 smaller parts. This design has inspired twisty puzzles of all shapes, including snakes.
43 quintillion. That's the number of possible combinations of the classic Rubik's Cube.
500 million. That's the number of Rubik's Cubes that have been sold since it was invented. It is the world's best-selling puzzle toy.
3.13. That's the fastest speed cubing time, solving a Rubik's Cube in the fastest time possible, in seconds. It's also the world record. American Max Park set the new record in 2023.
1981. 1981 was the Rubik's Cube golden year. The toy was a global craze and won awards in Europe and the USA. The first speed cubing championship was held the following year.
5%. It is estimated that only 5% of people can solve the Rubik's Cube without help. Speed cubers memorize algorithms and practice a lot.